Hello everyone, good evening. This is Senthil from Sashra. Welcome to the daily update, markets daily update, and let's quickly get into what happened in the market today. Market, I think it moved to a second straight day high today after falling it for quite a few days continuously. Market. If you Let's quickly look at the chart of Nifty. What really happened? If you clearly look at it, I think market yesterday made a low of 21,800 like near the Nifty, and from there market recovered nicely, and today again market recovered. It raised higher from the previous candles, and it now closed exactly on the trend line, the channel line actually. So how to decode the market right now is, I guess we should wait for another day. If you clearly look at it, it's almost went into the channel, back into the channel again, but I would just wait for a day more again. So most probably tomorrow. So once a candle decisively get into this particular channel, I think we can make a decision on buying, doing a fresh buying in the market, right? So today market, though it went into the channel, but it managed to close exactly on the in the trend line of the channel, right? If you could clearly notice, this is what happened. So at times what happens is, tomorrow by looking at it, we would have bought some few shares today. Actually, by looking at it, it has moved into the channel pattern again, but it has closed exactly on the line now. So I would say that we just wait for a day tomorrow what exactly happening, because sometimes what happens is the similar thing happens, but next day market fell down actually. So we don't want to get stuck up in that particular position. So that's the reason why I'm saying wait for tomorrow, see what happens. If the market closes inside the channel pattern again, I think we can start buying it fresh. Until then, don't do any fresh buying, right? That's I'm pretty much clear about it, because if this particular candle would have closed decisively inside around 22,240 or 250 levels, I would have said that I think market has crossed came back into the channel. But right now it is neck to neck. I would wait for another day to take any decision on the same, right? This is what happening in Nifty. Let's quickly look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty yesterday clearly took a support from the trend line, and it is respecting today as well. If you could clearly see it, it has closed above the 5 days, almost in the 5 days moving average range. So I think Bank Nifty can do really well from here on, but I would wait for another day even here as well, because Bank Nifty has to close above 48,000. That is the point which I'm keenly looking for. So once 48,000 is been crossed, I think Bank Nifty can go and retest the 48,500 to 49,000 levels, right? I think until 48,800 there won't be any issue. That's what I'm hoping for. If that happens, well and good. If it doesn't happens, it might reverse from there. So I think you can take some positions, but wait for what happens is, when Nifty starts to fall, Bank Nifty continues to fall back again. That's the reason why I'm just still skeptical in the market. Market may go up or may not go up. That's how my decision is currently indecisive. So I'll wait for another day. Let's see what happens in the market tomorrow, and then we'll take a call accordingly, right? So any overnight news can also impact the same. Let's quickly look gold. Gold still in the consolidation phase. Any close above 2394 will be a fresh buying will come. Until then, don't do any fresh buying in gold at this point of time, right? So similarly, let's go quickly look at silver. Silver is doing really well. It is moving higher ranges. Any close above 28.9, I think that should be the level to buy for, and then travel towards the higher side. That's what happening in silver. Let's quickly look at IDFC First Bank. Yesterday it took a support around 75 rupees, and then jumped back and it's trading closely around 77.50. Hopefully if market sustains, IDFC first sustains as well. So I think yesterday I spoke about JP Power, right? Today JP Power gave 5% return. It logged in upper circuit, so I'm hoping the back-to-back circuits will come back in JP Power. That's what I'm hoping for. And similarly Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finance is it's in no trade zone, so avoid Bajaj Finance at this point of time. Bharti Airtel, I think Airtel came up with the result today, but the result wasn't that great. In as per my eyes, the ARPU, average revenue per user, has increased to 209, and the expected is 210 actually. So I'm expecting some correction will happen in Bharti Airtel, because it's already trading at a very high PE of close to 66 rupees. So Bharti Airtel, the good range for Bharti Airtel to buy again is probably around 1050 levels actually, or maybe between 1100 to 1050 levels. These are the levels which Bharti Airtel, if it falls down, it can come, and maybe we can do a fresh buying for around these levels. I'm expecting some correction to happen in Bharti Airtel. Let's see. Hopefully if it happens, it's good. If it doesn't, okay, no, nothing to lose there actually. Maharashtra Bank looks good. It's doing some retest around the 5 EMA. Let's see what's happening in the upcoming days. Ashok Leyland clearly gave a breakout today. Ashok Leyland closed above 203. I think it's closed around 204.55. I think it's a good level. I think you can start buying Ashok Leyland from here on, because it already did a retest as well. So any retest and then a breakout is always a good breakout. I'm expecting minimum first target will be 208, and then it goes all the way to 215 and 220. These are the target which we are currently looking out for in Ashok Leyland. So as far the market is concerned, I'll take a decision only tomorrow after seeing the market, because I think Fed meeting is there tonight. So once the Fed meeting is over, we can take a decision how the market reacts. If the market reacts in a negative way, it's more like a breakout it's more like a pullback failure happens in the market. So market it's still in the indecisive zone. I think many people are saying that market has recovered, Amit Shah has told, and this and that, but technically market has to close about 22,250 for a fresh buy. Until then, it's not a fresh buy, it's just a pullback, and then it might reverse back soon as well. So we'll wait for another day to see what's happening in the market. Based on that, we can take a call, right? So I think we have covered most of the thing. If there is anything comes up, I'll just post to you guys a video as well. And I think that's it. Thank you. Have a nice evening.